How we doing today, folks? My name's Sean. I'm with Broadview Doors. We're a garage door company right out of New Lenox, Illinois, about 30 minutes from Chicago. Today we're going to be answering one of the most frequently asked questions, the different types of glass and how do they look in the door. The specific manufacturer that we're going to be referring to today is Clopay. They're one of the biggest. They're nationwide. You see them everywhere. A lot of different options as far as designs and different types of glass, such as clear, frosted, seated, obscured, and rain. So we're going to show those different examples today and how they would look on your garage door.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, first up in the lineup for Clopay's glass options is clear glass. Clear glass features a sleek, transparent design that maximizes natural light and visibility, offering a modern aesthetic that blends indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. This style enhances curb appeal by showcasing the garage's interior or backlighting effects at night. Next up in the lineup is obscure glass. Obscure glass offers a stylish blend of privacy and design, using textured glass panels to diffuse light while obscuring the garage's contents from external view. This choice adds a contemporary, elegant touch to your garage door, balancing natural light with the need for privacy. Next up in the lineup is seated glass. Seated glass features a unique bubbled texture that creates a vintage or artisanal look, with small embedded bubbles within the glass that catch and scatter light. This style offers a decorative touch that enhances aesthetic appeal by adding character and visual interest to your garage door.
Another thing about the seated glass is some customers think they're going to get some privacy from this. Not a whole lot of privacy, as you could see in this. So if you're looking for privacy, we don't recommend seated glass.
Next on our lineup is rain glass. Rain glass has a distinctive water-inspired texture that mimics the look of rain trickling down on a window, offering privacy while allowing light to filter through softly. This style adds a dynamic, natural element to the garage door's appearance, enhancing both privacy and curb appeal with its unique visual effect. Up next, we have narrow reed glass. Narrow reed glass features a fine, vertical reed pattern that adds texture and visual interest, creating a sense of privacy while still allowing natural light to enter. This style offers a contemporary and elegant look, perfect for adding architectural detail and enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your garage door. Now we will move on to glue chip glass. Glue chip features a unique texture created by applying a glue that causes the glass to chip away in a pattern resembling frost or ice crystals, offering a blend of privacy and intricate, natural-inspired design. This style adds an elegant and visually striking element to your garage door, enhancing both aesthetics and privacy. And finally, for our last sample today, we have frosted glass. Frosted glass utilizes a translucent effect that blurs views while allowing light to pass through, offering a sleek, modern look that ensures privacy. This style is perfect for adding a contemporary touch to your garage door, blending functionality with design by obscuring the garage's content from outside view.
Another thing on frosted glass, this is one of the most requested types of glass. This is also your least cost-effective type of glass.